What's up everyone? Today I'm going to take you step by step through the process of installing the Hi-Fi Duet. The Hi-Fi Duet is designed to be a premier pickup system for high-end and vintage guitars. And although most installations will not require any modifications to the instrument, there are a few key steps that require very close attention to detail to get the best results from the pickup system. So we highly recommend a professional installation for the best results as well as warranty support. Before we get started with the installation, it's important to make sure that the Hi-Fi Duet's main components are actually compatible with your specific instrument. First, you'll want to check the bridge plate to make sure that you have at least 3/4 of an inch of space between the front edge of the bridge plate and the bridge pins. You can use the silo mic itself to take this measurement, or something of a similar size if you haven't purchased the system yet. The bridge plate should also be completely flat in order for the pickups to make proper contact. If you have splinters or glue residue from a previous pickup installation, it will need to be cleaned and leveled before the installation can proceed. You'll also want to check the height of the bracing inside the sound hole. If the sound hole bracing is taller than 3/16 of an inch, the preamp may not be compatible, or other modifications or shimming may be required. To install the Hi-Fi pickups, start by loosening and removing the strings from the guitar for easy access to the inside. With the strings removed, you can use a 1/2-inch step drill bit to drill the hole for the output jack if you don't have a hole drilled already. Clean the bridge plate surface using a cloth or paper towel with a splash of rubbing alcohol and allow it to dry fully. Assemble the included jig for the Hi-Fi pickups. For a video guide, see the link in the description below. With the jig assembled and in place, position the 2 small adhesive strips on the back of both Hi-Fi sensors, directly over the LR Baggs logo. Remove the backing from the narrow adhesive strips and place that side down on the installation jig. Center the sensors over the saddle, with one between the low E and A strings, and the second between the B and high E strings. Remove the adhesive backing from the contact surface of each pickup sensor. Then insert the jig and pickups into the sound hole, keeping the same alignment. Carefully use the threaded rods of the jig to locate the bridge pin holes, and insert the rods into the pinholes until they poke out of the guitar top. Pull up evenly on both rods until the sensors contact the bridge plate. Reach inside the guitar and press up on the jig for a few seconds to improve the adhesive contact. Then carefully pop the jig off of the sensors, one sensor at a time, and remove the jig from the guitar. At this point, you can use an inspection mirror to confirm the correct placement of the sensors. To ensure an ideal adhesive bond, press up firmly on each sensor for an additional 15 seconds, applying equal pressure from the outside of the guitar. Now that the pickups are installed, we can install the output jack in the tail block of the guitar and connect the Hi-Fi pickups, output jack, and battery cable to the preamp. We're not going to install the mic just yet. With everything aside from the mic plugged into the preamp, we can mount the preamp to the inside edge of the sound hole, applying firm pressure for a strong adhesive bond. The battery bag adhesive can be attached to the neck block or to the guitar back in cases where the neck block cannot be used. Again, be sure to press down for 20 to 30 seconds, making sure to get a strong adhesive bond with the wood. At this point in the process, we strongly recommend installing a battery, stringing the guitar up to pitch, and testing the Hi-Fi pickups on their own through an amp or PA. Once the mic is installed, it is significantly more difficult to reposition the Hi-Fi sensors on the bridge plate. If you aren't getting even string balance across all 6 strings with just the Hi-Fi pickups, it's best to consult the troubleshooting guide before proceeding. Once the Hi-Fi pickups are properly balanced, we can proceed with the installation of the mic. The silo mic includes a mounting sleeve to ensure that the mic doesn't come in direct contact with the Hi-Fi pickups or the bridge pins. Start by reinstalling the bridge pins into the pinholes to use as a reference for the mic position. With the silo mic fitted into the sleeve, remove the adhesive backing on the mic and insert the mic into the sound hole. Using the 2 Hi-Fi pickups and bridge pins as reference points, place the mic sleeve evenly between the Hi-Fi pickups with the wire facing the tail of the guitar. With the sleeve positioned, Press down on the mic firmly for about 10 seconds to mount it. Then remove the mounting sleeve from the guitar and check the placement with your mirror. If the mic is properly placed and isn't overhanging the edge of the bridge plate, reach in again and apply firm pressure to the mic for 15 to 20 seconds. Properly installing the wire clips will drastically reduce the chance of internal rattles. We recommend installing one wire clip on the guitar top, directly behind the pickups and mic to keep the wires from coming in contact with the bridge pins. The other wire clip placement will vary depending on your specific instrument's body size and bracing pattern. Then all you need to do is string up the guitar to pitch and test the system through a high-quality acoustic amplifier or PA system. For more information on installing the Hi-Fi Duet in 12-string guitars, guitars with pinless bridges, and other variations not covered here, consult the troubleshooting guide at lrbags.com/support. Thanks for watching.